Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that claim to capture every detail of your drive. On the left, we have the RedTiger 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams are no joke. The RedTiger boasts a stunning 4K resolution with a wide-angle lens, capturing every moment with clarity. On the other hand, the Cosuvow also offers Ultra HD 4K resolution, ensuring you don't miss a single detail of your drive. It's a tough call, but both cameras deliver exceptional video quality. Now, let's talk about night vision. The RedTiger comes equipped with WDR technology and enhanced super night vision, ensuring visibility even in low-light situations. So whether you're driving through a dimly lit street or a pitch-black road, the RedTiger has got your back. On the flip side, the Cosuvow also features WDR and night vision, maintaining video clarity and color accuracy day and night. Both cameras excel in night vision capabilities, making them reliable choices for nighttime driving. Connectivity is an essential aspect of any dash cam. The RedTiger takes the lead with its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities. You can connect to the RedTiger app on both Android and iOS devices, allowing you to quickly access and play back your recorded videos on your mobile phone. Plus, you can share your driving experiences in real time with friends, family, or insurance companies. On the other hand, the Cosuvow also offers Wi-Fi app control, enabling you to view live footage, replay recordings, and even edit and share your videos. It's a tie in terms of connectivity. Now, let's look at some additional features that set these dash cams apart. The RedTiger comes with loop recording and a G sensor, automatically overriding the oldest footage when the memory card is full. It also has a 24-hour parking monitoring function that activates recording when it detects any impact or sudden motion while your vehicle is parked. As for the Cosuvow, it also offers loop recording and a G sensor, providing valuable evidence in the event of an accident. It also has a 24-hour parking monitor and time-lapse recording to protect your vehicle from theft or vandalism. It's a tie in this category as well. Now let's talk about the price. The RedTiger comes in at $229, while the Cosuvow is a budget-friendly option, priced at just $59. It's a significant price difference, but remember, you get what you pay for. If you're looking for top-notch features and exceptional video quality, the RedTiger might be worth the investment. However, if you're on a tight budget and still want a reliable dash cam, the Cosuvow offers great value for money. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the RedTiger for its reliability, user-friendliness, and exceptional video quality. The Cosuvow, on the other hand, is highly recommended for its simplicity, functionality, and budget-friendly price. Both dash cams have received positive reviews for their performance and features. And there you have it, folks. The RedTiger and the Cosuvow put up a tough fight, but in the end, it all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Both dash cams deliver impressive video quality, night vision capabilities, and additional features that enhance your driving experience. So, whether you're capturing scenic road trips or ensuring your safety on the road, both the RedTiger and the Cosuvow have got you covered. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting us know which dash cam you prefer. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.